Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video where we explore the world of stunning garden planters. If you are looking to transform your outdoor space into a haven of beauty and tranquility, then you come to right place. In this video, we shall showcase a variety of unique and breathtaking planters that will enhance the aesthetic of your garden and bring it to life. Number 1. Enhancing aesthetics. Garden planters are not just a containers for plants. They are statement pieces that can elevate the overall aesthetics of your outdoor space. Whether you have a sprawling garden, a cozy balcony, or a small patio, incorporating stunning planters can instantly add style and elegance. From sleek and modern designs to rustic and vintage inspired creation, there's wide range of options available to suit your personal taste and complement your existing garden decor. Number 2. Diverse materials. One of the remarkable aspects of garden planters is the wide array of materials they come in. Clay, terracotta, ceramic, metal, wood, and fiberglass are just a few examples. Each material brings its own unique charm and characteristics to the table. For a classic and timeless appeal, clay or terracotta planters are excellent choices, while modern and sleek designs often feature metal or fiberglass constructions. Wooden planters exude a warm and rustic vibe, perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your garden. Number 3. Creative designs. Stunning garden planters are not just about the materials, they also feature creative and innovative designs. From geometric shapes and intricate patterns to whimsical motifs and nature inspired elements, they are designed to suit every preference. Vertical planters are perfect for maximize space and creating a striking visual impact, while hanging planters add a touch of whimsy in any corner. Don't be afraid, experiment with different sizes, shapes, and arrangements to create a visually stunning display that reflects your personal style. Number 4. Versatile applications. Garden planters are incredibly versatile and can be used in various ways. They are not limited to holding plants alone. They can also be used as decorative elements to showcase sculptural pieces, herbs, or even water features. By incorporating multiple planters of different sizes and heights, you can create a layered effect that adds depth and dimension to your garden. Additionally, planters can be easily moved around, allowing you to change the layout of your outdoor space whenever you desire. Conclusion. In this YouTube video, we have explored the world of stunning garden planters, showcasing their ability to enhance the aesthetics of your outdoor space. By incorporating these beautiful containers into your garden, balcony, or patio, you can create a visually captivating environment that will impress your guests and provide a serene retreat yourself. Let your creativity flourish as you experiment with the different materials, designs, and arrangement to bring your garden to life. Thank you for watching.